And jumping protocol. Now the initial problem-solving test. What took you so long? You going slow on purpose? You do realize this is a race, right? You're currently in 618th place? Just kidding. Note to self, make next creation better looking. And also with Bluetooth. Everybody loves Bluetooth. Wait a minute. Did I put the open door switches or the self-destruct switches down there? Sorry, just talking to myself. Use the switch to open the door. You'll be fine. Probably. Hoo-wee! Guess I can take these earmuffs off. Okay, so, based on your speed of puzzle solving so far, I calculate that you have... Wow! You actually did it. Could this be the breakthrough I've been waiting for? No. No. Oh, I am truly a genius. Wait, is that genius with an O or a genius without an O? Congratulations! You are my first creation to solve all of the puzzles. Ah yes, please ignore the useless block hanging. I said don't touch that! I mean... just kidding. You really thought I wanted you to jump into that pit. Hilarious! No, just wait there and yes, just wait there and somebody will bring you your trophy shortly. Where are you going? I said stay still. Don't you want a trophy? Look, this